Dear students, today we are going to start our new unit, that is the building self confidence. But before starting a new unit, there is a one picture in front of you. So what this picture shows, this picture shows the ancient time pic of a computer. Students, in the ancient time, people uses this type of a computer system for sharing of information, data, etc. But now today we live in a very fast and changing environment. Day by day our needs, trends are changing and technology is also changing. So according to the technologies, new innovations were invented. So this is our new innovation of our computer, which includes various types of input and output devices. So students, just see, there is a great difference between the picture of an ancient time computer and a modern day life a computer. So it shows that we live in a very fast world where daily new innovations, technologies were invented. So students, let's start with our new session, that is the building self-confidence. So before understanding its meaning, first of all we must know that what is self-confidence. Self-confidence means trust in one's own judgment and ability. It reflects the one belief which shows the capable of accomplish a task. So self-confidence is term used to describe that how secure a person in his own decisions, actions, and how he is free from doubts. So confidence is not they will like me. Confidence is I will be fine even if they don't. So this is the quote for self-confidence. So now question arises that what is self-confidence? Doing what you believe to be right, even if others criticize you. Second one, being willing to take risk in your life, because without taking risk you can't achieve your target. Third one is very important, that admit your mistakes and you must learn something new from your mistakes. So this is the picture which shows self confidence and doubt. So we have always doubt in our mind that I am able to do it, will I succeed, can I do it, am I enough good, etc. So always these doubts can rises in our mind and it causes lack of self confidence in our mind. So how to build a self confidence? So the first step is the believe yourself. Always believe that you are right. So building confidence begins with changing your thoughts, ideas, then taking a action for change. So what are the factors that affecting our self confidence? Our first factor is the social factor. Society plays a very critical role in shaping and building our nation or a self confidence. So, our society comprises of family, friends, relatives, school friends. So, our initial interaction with society leaves a last impact on our attitude. So, evaluations from parents, teachers, schoolmates can affect on our social factors. So, social and economical factors such as income, education, society are all included in the social factor. Our second one is the cultural factor. We live in a society and society consists of the various cultures, festivals, values, beliefs, laws, education, etc. So cultural factor also influence the child development and behavior. If children growing up in a different culture receive a specific inputs from their environment. So cultural refers to the characteristics of particular society, community, group of peoples. Our third important factor is the physical factor. Physical factors like healthy physique, healthy mind, good appearance, good ideas in our mind, and it creates and play an important role in developing self-confidence in person. Moreover, in every culture, good looks are always appreciated and always admired, which affects the person's self confidence. So, physical factor is also related with the physical environment. So, same ideas as an abiotic limited factors, which include lighting facilities, temperature, sound. Physical factor also says that good practice is helps to maintain a good hygiene and physical appearance. Now our next concept is the attitude. So different people have a different attitude towards the different types of work. So attitude shows the behavior of a person. So here we can divide attitude into the three types. First is the positive attitude, negative attitude, neutral attitude. Positive attitude shows the positive feeling as a positive behavior of a particular person. Negative attitude shows the negativity, and neutral attitude includes both positive and a negative attitude. If a person is having an attitude, then he consists of the various types of features like fear, overcritical, poor time management, lack of initiative, negative outlook. So now here questions arises that how to increase our self confidence. It is very important that we have to increase our self confidence if you want to live in a society. So there are various steps. Our first step is the ask yourself, are my thoughts are really truth or are my thoughts are really good? Second one, learn to tolerate. I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that to solve various types of problems. Talk and think positively. Always create positive thoughts in your mind. Talking about your positive goals activates brain centers that open us to achieve new possibilities.